Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can report a theme on Dress to Impress that maybe you don't understand, it's in another language, or maybe it's not safe for work. So this is the first time I've seen a theme that somebody has requested, and it's in another language, of course, but it could be something else. Maybe not in this game, okay? This is just because the button is here, so might as well show you guys. Basically, there will be a button next to the 60-second timer. You're going to select this. It says report this custom theme. When majority of the servers vote yes, the theme will be reset. Press yes to report the theme and press no to not report it. But she said it's like a Japanese bride style, so I'm gonna just trust her on that. But if you're unsure, you can report the custom theme. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.